Hello, got something in the mail today. Pretty excited about it. It is the proof of the paperback for Summer Break Fae. So let's open it up, take a look. Got the box right here. I started it because otherwise it would just take too long. But it just came in from the printer. And here's the book. And I'm super excited about it. Summer Break Fae just came in. Looks pretty good. I'm really enjoying the covers and the chapter headers. And you can see the spine and the back of the book. Printing turned out really well. I like the colors. It's a matte finish. And this is all set and ready to go so that when the book releases in March, it'll be available for people to get paperbacks right away. But more importantly, for the Kickstarter backers who help support this book, will get their paperback, signed paperback editions coming in the mail. Probably I'll start sending these out in the next week or so. Well, actually in the next few weeks, because I still need to get the actual copies of the book in. This is just one copy. But I'll order those right away, and we'll be able to get these out to people. Probably start mailing in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And that means folks will get them by mid-March, which is perfect. So I hope everybody's happy and having a great day. Stay in touch, and I will have more updates on what's coming due. As you can see, I'm writing Sophomore Fae right now, which is why it's the background on my desktop. Take care, folks.